Achieve ultimate mastery with the Megamaster Apex Series 6-burner Patio gas braai. The definitive gas braai designed to master any outdoor feast. With a spacious cooking area, you'll have enough room to feed even the fiercest appetites. Starting up the main burner is as easy as turning on a light. Simply push the electronic ignition button on the stainless steel control panel for instant fire every time. These 6 stainless steel burners give off a blistering 60,000 Bts of heat under your precise control. The porcelain enameled firebox retains heat, and the smooth glass-like interior surface is easy to clean. Included is a motorized rotisserie to slow roast large cuts of meat, whole poultry, veg and even fruit basted in their own juices. You also get an additional 15,000 BTUs from the convenient ceramic side searing burner to seal in juices, and the flip-down cover lets you use the space as a side table when not in use. The 6-burner sturdy lid features a built-in temperature gauge, taking the guesswork out of grilling the perfect steaks, fish or vegetables. Double doors allow a neat and tidy storage space for your gas cylinder. Reach the pinnacle of grilling with Megamaster Apex Series 6-burner Patio gas braai. Megamaster, together made better.